Hi, this is PhD alborz Seddigh Afshar. I'm putting the interrelations between the letters encyclopedia online. I'm starting with letter B since I had letter A already covered partially on my blog. So I'm putting letter B online. I write them faster in my notebook. That's why I write them in my notebook instead of in my blog. So I finish it in a few days instead of it taking years as a process. Letter B is finished by now, and there are some elegant ones there too. It's because of the scientific book by Bjorn Lomborg on the Copenhagen Consensus says the AIDS Fund Stichting or AIDS charity, AIDS prevention and reduction is the most scientific cause to sponsor. I want to give it to all. First of all, it doesn't exist in patent searches to AIDS Fund Stichting. Okay, that's it. So the AIDS Fund Stichting is a Dutch cause against AIDS. Because the Bjorn Lomborg book says it's the most scientific charity, not because we have any AIDS cases I know personally. Okay, that's it. That's it. So because it's the most scientific charity, that's it. According to the Copenhagen Consensus of Top Economists Panel. Okay, that's it. So if you want to say how to spend 50 billion, that's partially it. And as far as it doesn't exist, obviously the formulas. The formulas which do exist in patent searches are obviously cannot be given as a gift. And it's a gift from the Genius Sperm Bank. So I'm giving it personally to the Genius Sperm Bank. It's not coming directly from me. And the Genius Sperm Bank is giving it to the AIDS Fund Stichting, and me as CEO deciding that. Because I don't want to get a personal debt in case they start saying you should have a personal debt over this. I want it to be the foundation's debt. If there is debt involved, which we hope there is none. So the foundation doesn't get a debt in that sense. So it's not purchasing any of it in case it already did exist. That's it. Okay, so let's show it. Okay. Okay. So this is the interrelations encyclopedia. There are some elegant ones that people like. They might have already existed, maybe not. There are some, let's see, super elegant, like two-letter, like Einstein's. So they're somewhat elegant, but I don't see as elegant as people would like to say they might be. So, for instance, is this elegant? Not really. This already known formula according to science, except it uses a certain term we don't use, which is velocity. I don't use that. I expanded a little bit on that, so it's sort of complexer. So this is what is it? Electric field is Tx per B. Yeah, so that's sort of elegant. Obviously, it's got three values on the other side. So it's got three variables. It's elegant. If it already existed, might have already. This is not so elegant. Okay. So this is four variables again. It's partially elegant. So it's as elegant as three variables. Obviously, B is mg divided by x and I current. So mass acceleration divided by distance and current. That's B magnetic field. So I'm focused on magnetic field right here. Okay, and the rest of the alphabet will follow. Obviously, hopefully at a fast rate. So this is B is bar divided or angular momentum, obviously, divided by surface divided by charge, obviously, right? That's kind of elegant, though. It involves three variables. This is B is F divided by X, so that's Bill, obviously, already existed. That one already did, though. That's it. So I'm quoting something that also already existed. That's the H bar, though. So B is H bar divided by surface divided by charge divided by X squared divided by charge. H bar divided by. Yeah, so that one didn't already exist, I think. No, I'm skipping 2 pages. No, okay. Okay. So this is again that one. So again, this time if we make this one elegant, turns out B is mass per charge per time. Also, so that's sort of elegant too. Also, so it's three variables. Also, it's sort of elegant also. In other words, simplistic with reduced variables. So the variables amount is low. And that's what I call elegance. I think that's what they mean in common linguistics. I'm not sure about it. I think so. That's what I mean. or that's what I'm talking about maybe. This is B is t squared times p for power divided by surface divided by charge. Okay, so it also turns out B is t times power divided by current divided by x squared. X squared can be substituted with a for surface. Right, it's 4 variables. It's not that elegant as 3 variables, but it's 4 variables. So elegant. This one B is these force times t times x per q times t. F is piece force times time times distance, not divided by distance, divided by charge. Force times time divided by distance divided by charge. So that's partial elegance variation of Bill. Okay. This is another one. Q charged means charge times resistance divided by surface or divided by x squared. Okay, that's it. So that's short elegant 2. Okay, another elegant one is there here. Not really. It's that old one again. This is another elegant one. B is work divided by surface divided by current. Okay, B is work divided by x squared divided by current. Right, that's elegant one. This one is, we're not saying the elegant part is B is r squared divided by surface times time, or B is r squared times time divided by surface. So r squared is resistance, T is time, R is time. So okay, that's W is work obviously. X squared is distance, I is current, right? Okay, that's it. Okay, so yeah, that's the end of that. That's it. So that's it. Right. So now we do very fast. We scan. We'll do it again. Well, we have much time to do. Let's keep it on the 10 minutes. Right. Okay. 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 So there were some major elegant ones there. I'm not sure if they exist. I didn't know some in my own physics books, so they might be new. But since they're elegant, there's a good chance they already existed. Obviously, unless obviously state of the science is backward, or it's not necessarily what the state of science is, right? That if you notice that I couldn't find force encyclopedia on, I had to put one online myself, a very elementary one. I want to make expanded one soon with 3 variables involved, and that will take maybe a few years, right? This by writing in my notebook, since that writes faster. That's it. So you notice that science is not as advanced seemingly around the Western internet as they would think, or I would think, obviously. There's such a thing as, well, I'm not mentioning also other sources for categorized formulas. So this interrelations encyclopedia, once it's done within, I think, a few months, will be a good progress for, science. Let's say you can get every interrelation in reality.